Okay, I'm back. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. I just got via the delivery guy a box with my Black+Decker hedge trimmers. I'm going to open them up and check them out. The reason I bought them is because they had good reviews, and I got this Black+Decker drill a while back, and this thing is a beast. I think I've only charged this thing one time, and I believe that the battery for this is compatible with these trimmers. So I'm going to open these up and check them out. Bear with me. That's kind of funny, right? Struggling. Sunday afternoon. The cicadas are making a lot of noise, and I can't even open a box up. Well, there's that. I thought I was going to have to put something together. Okay, here's the battery and the battery charger. I don't think I've ever had a hard time opening a box in my entire life. And there's the battery. 12 volt, or I'm sorry, 20 volt lithium. Let's take this one off. And these are the same batteries. Exactly the same. So I'm going to put my drill one on here just because I know it's charged, and see how these work. Then I'm going to go out in the yard and do a demo. Got trigger guard on it. Need to cut that off. Should just be able to put. Here's the. And I know I'm going to have to pull this back because I have used these type of trimmers before. Got a pretty wide cut too. So let's go find some bushes. All right, I plugged the charger in. This is a new battery, and it just. And then there's a indicator light. Imagine when it stops flashing, it'll be fully charged. Came with directions also. Okay, I'm in my neighbor's yard. I don't have any bushes. This is a pear tree. I cut his grass, so. There we go. Okay. They don't weigh that much either. Stop right on the dime too. Trying to see if I can go through something thick. Which is that right there? Got some pears in here. I have to come over and pick some. All right, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I can't even remember. I think they were $80. So there'll be a link for them in the description. Hit the like and subscribe button. It's hot out here, and I need to get some work done. Later.